हाय दोस्तों, आप सभी को हमारे YouTube चैनल में स्वागत। Thank you for watching the channel. This video is for West Bengal. In West Bengal, there is an e-pass system introduced just now, and that is for other district of West Bengal. We have already published a video. If you wanted to travel within Kolkata police station, you can use that video and travel, but there was no option to travel other districts of West Bengal. So in this video, I will show you how to travel to any district of West Bengal other than Kolkata. So what you can do is you can do this from your mobile also. Just open a Google search and search for wb.gov.in. I will give this link in my video description also. Once you click there, you can see here this is newly introduced here today just now. It is inter-district travel pass. That means if you wanted to travel outside of your district, that means one district to another district, for example Kolkata to Durgapur or Durgapur to Howrah, if you can use this pass. Okay, and one more option is intra-district travel pass. That means you wanted to travel within your district. Suppose you are in Howrah district and you wanted to travel within Howrah, you can use this option, or any district. Okay, so let us quickly see first inter-district travel option. I will show you both of the options in this pass. Okay, first let us take inter-district. That means you are traveling from one district to another district other than Kolkata. We have already published another video. First you have to give your mobile number here. There is no username, password. Enter your mobile number and click on get OTP button. So as you can see here, sometimes OTP will not come, then you have to refresh it. Okay friends, so once you get the OTP, you can enter the OTP here in this window. Within 2 minutes OTP didn't come, you can repeat the process. I enter the OTP and I click on validate. Once you click on validate, you can see here applicant name gets active. Previously it was not active. Now you have to fill all the details. Let us see what are the details has to be filled here. First is your name and your gender, and after that your age. Okay, after that your mail ID. Please make sure you are giving all the things properly, because your communication or pass will come through SMS and mail ID. Okay, do not miss anything. So you have 4 options here: ID card, election ID, PAN card, and other 2 options are also there. So if you are not having election ID, PAN card or Aadhaar card, you can select other, and you can also give any other government ID proof. Okay, that's why they have given the other option. So do not worry if you do not have these first 3 options, you can click on the other option. Okay friends, so now you can select, for example, let me select PAN card, and document number you have to give. In this example you have to give PAN card because I have selected PAN. If you select Aadhaar, you have to give your Aadhaar number here. Now this is a travel originating date. That means and which date you are going to start your travel. Okay, let me select 21st, tomorrow. Now journey type, you have 3 options. This is also very important. Previously this was not there for Kolkata. One way, 2 way and daily. So if you are going for daily travel, somewhere you are working and stuff, you can select even daily option. Okay, let me select 2 way option because I have to go and come back. Now the reason is also very important. See, lot of reasons are there, not like Kolkata pass. Health worker, if you are health worker, doctor, anything, you can select this. Press, you can select essential services, you are giving food items and delivery, you can select e-commerce, Amazon, all these things come under e-commerce. Any family related emergency, you can select. Suppose you are going for vaccination, you have that option also, COVID vaccination checkup. Okay, funeral related, and still if you scroll down, there are a lot of options. Court, if you are going to social welfare service. Okay, power, drinking supply, you can see here a lot of options are given here. So you can select any of the option perfectly fitting to you. Let me know if you are not able to find, I can also help you. Now if you are not falling into any of this category, you can even select others option. So there is a lot of options given out, so you don't need to worry about the option of travel. Okay, only thing is that you should have valid documents. Now you have to select your travel returning date. That means when you are going to come back. I had selected 2 way, so I have to select when I am going to come back. So let me think 21st itself. That means I have selected both same days. That is also possible. I am going on 21st and coming back on 21st. It's also possible. Now your source address means exactly from where you are starting from West Bengal. Okay, so you can't change the state. You have to select the district, from which district you are going to start your travel. So let me select this, and pin code is also must. You can't skip it, friends. You have to select the pin code. Sometimes if you click on police station, it is not active. What you have to do, again go back and change the district, okay, then police station will come active. Okay friends, remember this. Okay, so after that, give your post office of the place you are going to start. Now destination address, that means to where in West Bengal you are going to go. So you can't change the state because your travel is within West Bengal, but you can change the district because I have selected inter district pass, one district to another district. Okay, this is inter district pass, that's why I am able to change the district. So let me change the district of where I am going and give the pin code. You can't skip the pin code. After that, give the police post office, police station, everything of your destination. Now the vehicle number and details. You have to say vehicle registration number, what type, what model. I will show you what are the options we have. First you have to enter your vehicle registration number wherever it is, whatever vehicle it is. Now you can select, see a lot of options are there: two-wheeler, private car, SUV, MUV, a bus, minibus, and even tempo traveler. You have a lot of options. Okay, so you can select accordingly. In my case it is two-wheeler. After that, vehicle model, that means suppose if it is scooty, you can give the scooty and model, or whatever two-wheeler you are having you can give it. And total number of seats in the vehicle, in my case it is 1. If it is car, you can give 5. And after that, now driver details, who is going to drive the vehicle you have to give. Same person means same person name you can give, and gender. And driving license is must. You have to enter the driving license of this driver, okay, because they may validate while traveling. Now there are co-passenger details, that means if you have more passengers you can enter their details also. This is possible only in the case of vehicle above two-wheeler. Okay friends, and after entering all co-passenger details, you have to agree on all the conditions, 3 conditions, and click on submit button. Once you click on submit, you can see here your application has been successfully submitted. So you will receive your e-pass SMS if it is approved. So this is the message you are getting. You can see here you will receive your e-pass in SMS if approved. That means mobile number and email address should be the correct one. Now let us quickly see what is the next option, that is intra-district pass. Okay, I will show you this also very quickly because some people will be traveling only inside the same district. This is the same district option, intra-district travel. Okay, if you click there, let us see what are the things it is asking, any different thing or same thing. First you have to enter your mobile number, click get OTP option, wait for the OTP. If OTP didn't come, please refresh this page. Okay, you can see here clearly it is told that except Kolkata police. So this intra-district is not for Kolkata police. You watched my previous video, I have updated it. Okay, now I am waiting for the OTP. If you do not receive the OTP, please refresh the page, or please again open this, close and open it again. Okay, I had faced a lot of issue. Sometimes OTP was not coming. Now you click on validate after entering the OTP. Here you are going to enter your full name of the applicant, that means who is going to apply for the pass. These are the same things as you can see in the inter-district pass. And you can see here ID card also, same 4 options are there: election ID, PAN card, Aadhaar and other. Now traveling original date means when you are going to start your travel, and your journey type one way, two way, daily. This is also same as you can see previously. Okay, so I select daily for this case. Previously I had applied for two-way pass, and you can see here what kind of travel, why you wanted to travel. So you can see the same options previously you had seen in the case of inter-district pass. Now travel from to date you have to select. Okay, from when to when you need the pass, this is very important. Okay, if you need to have pass completely locked down, you can select the date accordingly, friends. And after that, source address, from where you are going to start your travel, which district. State will be by default West Bengal. And pin code, police station you have to select. Police station is not coming means again go back and change the district, then police station will work. Okay, so after that select your pin code, all these things. Now you cannot change the destination district, because intra district means you are traveling in the same district. Okay, that's why whatever you selected in the source district, same will be in the destination. You cannot change it. Now the same way you are going to enter a vehicle number, vehicle type, vehicle model. All these things are the same as you can see in the previous pass. There is no difference. Only difference is the district. You cannot change it. Now vehicle model I am entering, and you can also enter total number of seats. So previously I had shown you with two-wheeler, so I need to enter only driver details. Now let me show you another example. Say I am using a 5-seater car. If I give 5, then you can see here first I have to enter driver details, as you have seen in the previous pass. Driver, gender, age, driving license number is very important. You have to give driver's driving license number. It should must. And after that you can see here co-passengers details are asked, because I had given 4-wheeler option and 5-seater vehicle. Okay, so you have to enter like this: passenger 2 and his gender, male or female, age, his identification document number. So whatever document identification he is carrying, PAN card, Aadhaar card, whatever, that number should come here for the second passenger. You can see here one more passenger it is asked. So totally I can enter 3 passengers, because I had opted for a 5-seater vehicle. You can see here. So for a car, maximum people allowed is only 3. That is the meaning. Okay, you can see here. Even though I selected 5, only 3 passenger name I can enter. That means a 5-seater vehicle can take only 3 passengers. About a car, you can take only 3 passenger pass. Okay, that is the meaning. That's why you can see here when I selected 5-seater vehicle, first is the driver. You can see the driver things, and below you can see co-passenger details. This is first passenger. Okay, totally 2 persons. Now if you scroll down, you can see one more passenger detail is there. See here, passenger second one. So that means 1 driver and 2 passenger, only 3 persons can travel in a car. It's very clear. Now you have to click on all this option, and as usual you can click on the submit, and you will get an SMS the same way. And when you get an SMS, it will be like this: your application has been submitted successfully. You will receive your e-pass in your SMS if it is approved. So let us wait for SMS for e-pass. Let us see whether it's approved or not. So I like this video. I think you like this video. Please send to your friends. So whoever is looking for travel inside West Bengal, if you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please subscribe and please share with your friends. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.